Everyone, welcome back to Life with Suviksha. I hope all of you all are doing well. Today has not been a good day. Okay? So this video is going to be how I manage a bad day. So I don't know. I woke up, time right now is 9:50. I did not sleep well at all. I don't know. But I woke up and I was sitting doing nothing. Then I am now going to eat something because I'm so hungry. So I think I'll make dosa for breakfast and let's see how I manage a bad day. So honestly, this is a very honest video from my side because I want to show the real me. Like I want to show how real people manage real bad days. So yeah. I feel like I can't eat more than that. See what happens when you don't sleep well is the whole day gets so irritating. Like for me, I get angry at people, I become irritated, I become irritable, everything happens. So I need to work on my sleep schedule, I think. I had my breakfast and it was not nice. I did not enjoy it. And then I took my multivitamins and I was actually thinking that I've already posted a vlog in this dress. Should I change and then vlog? And then I was like, no, this is my real life. In real life, we repeat clothes, right? Okay. Now I have a small ritual. On days when I feel very bad or days are not going by what I have planned, I take a book, which is the Bhagavad Gita, and then I randomly open a page and I will check and have it as a message from the universe. So that is what we're going to do. This is the book. I don't know. Last time also somebody asked what from which publisher it is. I don't know. This is a translation by Swami Tapasyananda. Okay. The scripture of mankind. So now I will I'll pray and I'll randomly open a page. And the first thing that is meant for me. Okay, what is coming is, if that is not so, man will be working like a machine, animal, or slave. In work for the fruits, the material gains may be more important for the worker, but in desireless action, self improvement is the result. It is not fruits, but knowledge or spiritual enhancement that forms the rationale of the actions undertaken by a true spiritual aspirant. Every time the message will be clear for me. This time it is saying don't work for the fruits. The action is done only for the karam. And then as a true spiritual aspirant, don't expect fruits for the action. So every time somehow it works well. Okay, and now I'm going to take a quick nap. Time right now is 9:58. 10 o'clock, maybe 1 hour or 2 hours of nap. I'll have my lunch and then I will meet you all. Tried taking a nap, miserably failed in that also. So now I have two options. I can either complain about my day today or I can actually do something, and I'm going to do the second one. I have some work in the kitchen, that is, I have some utensils which are being washed. I have to just put them back in their place, so I will be doing that now. This work is done, so I feel a little bit better now. One work is done, and the next thing is I have to take care of this hair. This hair is a mess, and I think it's making me feel even more stressed and anxious. Okay. Thousand times better now that my hair is done. So yeah, I wanted to share this thing. Okay, this book, Shri Seshadri Mahan Varaladu. So this is Seshadri Swamigal. If you see, this person is Seshadri Swamigal. He is one of the last time I went to Tiruvannamalai, went to his ashram, and the energy was so beautiful. I wanted to know more about him. So I have bought this book and I've read 16 pages. So I have to read more of this book, and I would love to do a book review about it. One more thing is, on very bad days, what I do write is gratitude. So I write what I am grateful for, even though it feels like I have nothing to be grateful for. But I have a lot of things to be grateful for. This home, food, this phone, and etc.